Swiss Chalet. There's always value in a visit.
I'd like to preface this video, if you will. For those not in the know, Swiss Chalet is a chain of chicken rotisserie restaurants in Canada. Now that you know that, you'll know this video isn't about a literal Swiss chalet. It still smells like grease here. Like, at this point, did I think I had the secret code, like I was gonna get in or something? I find this incredibly sexist. Okay, I'm gonna outro with this selfie I took in the washroom. Anyways, it was a super quick video. I didn't want to leave in too many parts because honestly it was kind of boring. So you get a quick little 3-minute video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please be sure to check out my Instagram page and give me a follow. I post some pretty cool stuff. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell notifications and stay tuned because I got a really cool video coming up next week, maybe. Thank you for calling Swiss Chalet. Can I take your order?